We cannot have marriage without money. Money is imperative. Just like God is imperative, money is imperative. We need money in marriage. So to handle the situation whereby the wife's income is higher than the man, there is no cause for alarm here. The truth of the matter is that if the Lord Jesus Christ is the Lord over this woman, and the Lord Jesus Christ is the Lord over this man, no issue. The implication of that is this: the wife whose income is higher will never look down on her husband, will never see herself as superior to the man. And if the Lord Jesus Christ is the Lord over the man himself will not feel inferior, because it is inferiority that will make the man to envy his wife, want to make him to wanting to pull down his wife, and wanting to create issues around the wife's income that is higher. Now, God is suffering. He can decide to make the wife wealthier than her husband, and vice versa. And God at the same time may make the two of them wealthy. But the truth be told, where Christ is not the Lord over the wife who is any higher, there will be trouble, because there is tendency for the woman to want to enslave and treat this man as a nobody. And if the Lord also is not the Lord over the man whose wife is any higher, the man will be creating trouble. He will be creating problem. That woman will not enjoy herself. There are three things that expose who we are. One of which is the case here: money. Now, if because your wife is any higher than you and you are creating issues around it, brother, we need to tell you, if you are born again, you are carnal. To be carnal minded is to become enemy of God. Romans 8:7 say to be carnal minded is enmity to God, because the carnal man cannot, no matter what we preach, no matter what we teach, you will not be, especially if you are an African person, you will just have this mindset that no, I must. There is nowhere it is written in the Bible. What does the Bible say? There is nowhere written in the Bible that the husband should earn higher than the woman, or the woman should earn higher than the man. It is the sovereign God who decides who earn higher or who have the largest income in the home.